Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us and please subscribe to our drawing channel. Today we're going to try something different. We're going to do Patrick Mahomes, quarterback for the Kansas City Chiefs, zombie style. So get your dark marker. It can be black or a dark gray. Get the pointed tip. And here we go. We're going to find the center of our page. Center of our page here. We'll draw the zombie head up here for Patrick Mahomes. And let's get started. So draw the jaw down to a point, come up. Okay, we'll do an ear, two ears, and up here we're going to do a arch and down. See that? That's going to be the headband. Go up. Patrick Mahomes often wears a headband under his helmet, catches sweat. Okay, now let's do Patrick Mahomes' hair, which kind of has a tall hairstyle. Do a bunch of these bumps and connect. All right, we got the rough outline to Patrick Mahomes' zombie head. Let's do a neck, down, down, and a little arch to connect it. Here's where our shoulders are going to be. Shoulders are going to be. Okay. Let's say over here on the shoulder pad he has a rip. I'm going to do some zigzags. Down. A rip in the jersey. Okay. Another rip in the jersey over here. Come straight across to the waist. Up, over, and down. Okay, we have the jersey kind of outlined. Instead of him holding a football, we're going to have him holding a skull head. So let's draw the skull head right here. We're going to go, this is kind of a challenging one. So go up and down. Big rainbow, okay? Bring it down, bring it down. Bump out, come down, 1, 2, 3, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and his thumb is holding that skull instead of a football. We'll do the eyes to the skull. We'll do a kind of some mean, scary Halloween skull eyes. Just having fun with this for the Halloween season. So this is the nose. It goes down, up, and to a point. Okay. Bring some of these teeth up. That's basically our skull. We'll color those in a minute. His arm comes down and into the back of that skull. All right, let's do the other arm over here. So we're just going to one line, two lines, down, down. Okay, kind of this hook, a backwards J, and that's his arm and his hand. And here's another finger back there, another finger. All right, now let's do his right here is the holder where they put their hands to stay, the quarterbacks put their hands to stay dry. We'll do a leg down and up. Let's do a little rip over here on the side of this pants. So down, stop, maybe some zigzags, up. Okay. Ankles, 1, 2, 1, 2. Connect those. Maybe he's got some saggy socks. Do some big shoes. Okay, we're gonna do some big cartoon-like shoes. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. Maybe the toe was open. Come straight across. Connect. Down. And connect. So maybe you can see his toe right here. Big toe sticking out with a toenail. Another toenail. Alright. Alright, we got the outline done on our Patrick Mahomes. Let's do some eyes. So we'll do a big circle with a little dot. This is going to be fun. And over here we'll do a smaller kind of oval with a dot. Alright. Do an oval. Maybe a bigger oval right there. An arch. Down. Arch up. And connect. Color that black in the inside there. Patrick Mahomes kind of has the split in his tooth. There we go. And we'll do some football stripes under his eyes. Alrighty. And let's do a line above that eye. Above that eye. 1, 2 above the nose. And that could be it. Let's do a big bandage right here. And over here, let's do maybe some stitches. 1, 2, 3. Some dots. Okay, so right now we're gonna leave that. I'm gonna get the yellow. Get a yellow marker. We're gonna make the number 15. There's a yellow stripe around it, so we're gonna go. And if you need to take a minute and do the number or pause, because the numbers can be a little challenging, they always are, feel free to do so. Color over that one more time. Now we're going to do the 5. It goes down, over, okay. Go around that one more time. Make sure the yellow is nice and thick there. Pretty good. Not perfect, but all right. Let's do yellow stripe here. Connect. Yellow stripe here. Connect it. Zombie Patrick Mahomes coming along, doing pretty good. Let's do a yellow stripe down the leg. Kind of stops at that rip. Follow it all the way down. Yellow stripe there. And maybe some yellow stripes here. Alright, my phone's ringing here. Okay. We'll color these in yellow. Give it our Chiefs look. Looks like his socks might need to be, and I'll fast forward this and you'll be able to see us color it quicker, but let's do a little yellow stripe around the socks. Okay. And I think we'll be good. So, we're gonna do some green zombie flesh color. We'll give him some dark hair. We'll color the jersey in Chiefs red and have fun with this. So happy Halloween holiday Thanks for drawing Patrick Mahomes zombie. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Fast forward now.